House items list. Table. I put the books on the table. Chair. He sat on the chair near the window. Couch. The couch in the living room is very comfortable. Bed. I usually go to bed at 11 p.m. Pillow. I need a soft pillow to sleep well. Blanket. It was cold, so I took a warm blanket. Lamp. Please turn off the lamp before you leave. Wardrobe. I keep all my clothes in the wardrobe. Mirror. She looked at herself in the mirror. Curtain. The curtains in the bedroom are blue. Carpet. The carpet in the living room is very old. Television. We watched a movie on the television. Refrigerator. There are fresh vegetables in the refrigerator. Microwave. I heated the food in the microwave. Oven. The cake is baking in the oven. Sink. The dishes are in the sink. Dishwasher. I loaded the dirty dishes into the dishwasher. Stove. She is cooking pasta on the stove. Cabinet. The glasses are in the cabinet above the sink. Toaster. I made toast in the toaster. Kettle. The kettle is boiling water for tea. Blender. She made a smoothie in the blender. Cup. I drank a cup of coffee this morning. Broom. She swept the floor with a broom. Mop. She mopped the kitchen floor. Iron. I need to iron my shirt for the meeting. Laundry basket. The dirty clothes are in the laundry basket. Fan. The fan is blowing cool air. Air conditioner. We turned on the air conditioner because it was hot. Heater. The heater keeps the room warm. Doormat. Please wipe your feet on the doormat. Door handle. The door handle is broken. Switch. Turn off the light with the switch. Outlet. Plug the charger into the outlet. Hanger. I hung my jacket on a hanger. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.